All right, guys, stream plan. Gonna try this box opening basketball. This is 22-23 Chronicles. Gonna see. Never really did any openings, so gonna give it a go. See if we get anything. Let's see if it'll be interesting. Normally, I just open it kind of on my own, but I don't really open basketball. You can see I just normally just buy cards, but I do dabble in basketball because it's good to try every year. Get some rookies. You never know if they'll become big or not. So it's probably a good idea. So I got 6 packs, Chronicles, and see who we should get. You guys might know more. Ivy, Matherin, Murray, Williams, Banchero. I'll try. See what we get. First one. Christian Braun. I mean, let me know if it's any good. Coloco, another rookie. Oh, this one's a good. Wait, oh, they're all backwards. I thought it's a good sign if it's going to be backwards. Okay. Ocho. Apache. Which way should we go? This way? Durin. Rookie. I guess they're all rookies. It just depends on the type of card. That's good, right? Banchero. That's probably a good one. And I guess I don't have a lot of room here. Put it what we think are good ones. Giddy. And then Bill Boy. I can't say the name. Beauchamp. So I'm not sure which one's the good ones here. Maybe Banchero. I'm not sure if those other ones are any good. Let me know. Okay, put it over here. Need to get more space here. Okay. We got a Brunson, Jalen Brunson. Jabari Smith. I guess you need a combo of a good card and a good rookie, right? So this one's backwards. Ivy. We got Keegan Murray. Jalen Duren. Oh, interesting. Wow, that's nice. LeBron James, right? Can't go wrong with that. E. This is probably a nice one. And then it's this Donovan Mitchell. Pink. Probably have to go back later, determine what's a good one, what we should sleeve. I mean, from this pack, right, Smith, Ivy, Murray. So, yeah, go back later. So yeah, basketball I do like to buy the modern, but Pokemon I don't like to buy modern. I like to buy old. In Marvel I like to do old. So only basketball I like to buy some by the modern ones. Keegan Murray, I think that's good, right? Because he's on the cover. That should be good. And then shiny, Marquise. Hopefully that's a decent one. Banchero, that's a good one. And then Sharp, Williams, Andrew Nemhard, got Curry, but these are just like normal cards, and Ball. So okay. Okay. Couple more packs. We got Keegan Murray. That's good, right? Jeremy Sochan. We got a Mark. I don't know why now these ones are backwards. Interesting. Okay, Malachi Branham. We got Duran. He's on the cover. Jokic. We got Booker. And we got Mark Williams. Okay. Okay, we got Giannis. That's pretty good, right? Giannis is good. It's like a pink. I have to figure out. Eason. Sometimes we don't know what we have. And then John Morant. Embiid. Ivy. Sokan. Williams. I guess every pack, one or two okay, decent ones that were, and then see if they're any good. Okay, last pack for now. Got Murray. We got a good, it's pretty good, right? Oh, Chet. That's great, right? Chet's doing well, really well. Rookie card. It's nice. Randall. We got McClung. He's cool, right? McClung's cool. Got Baldwin Jr. Oh, nice. Wow, got another LeBron. LeBron's always good to get. And we got Kevin Durant. Shiny. So I guess the summary for this one, if I can hold these ones here. Okay. So I guess we got good ones are like a Durant. LeBron, it's always good. Got a Chet, but it's not like a super card, but it's, we got a Giannis, pink. Got a Keegan Murray. Banchero, it's nice. Another Keegan. Got a Mitchell. Got a E LeBron. And I got a Banchero. So that's a summary. Let me know if there's any good ones here. And then stay tuned for more openings. Thanks.